Hey everybody, it's Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. Gonna bring you another one of the farm auction fresh Fords that we showed you here a week or so ago. We did a quick walk around video of these cars right after we bought them, actually at the farm site, right after they got done with the sale that day. Got a couple of them in, got more to go. We're gonna get those in as well, but tonight we're gonna give you a quick walk around on this 1965 Ford Falcon Futura two-door hardtop. Neat little car. Now, if you'll notice, if you saw the video from at the farmstead, some of the trim's already missing. I actually sold some trim off this car before I even got it loaded that day. But a ton of good pieces on this thing. Like I said, a Futura two-door hardtop, not something you see every day. So really excited to bring this one in and add it to the inventory. But what we've got, 65 Falcon Futura two-door hardtop. You can see the 289 badge on the front fender. This is a V8 automatic car. Not something you stumble across every day. This car does have a little rust in it. It's been sitting for a long time, but overall, ton of good stuff on this car. We see this side of the car is really pretty straight. It's not beat up. It's not tore up too bad. We work our way around the back. We see all the rear trim is still here. The trunk molding, the tail lights, the rear bumper. We work our way around the passenger side of the car. Kind of the same thing. Really a fairly straight old car. Like I said, it does have a little rust in it. But these Falcon two-door hardtops don't pop up every day. They're not real common. So I was definitely glad to get a hold of this one. Bring it in, add it to inventory. Now, we come around the front, we can see the nose. The nose is out of it. The grill, the front bumper is gone. But some of that stuff's even inside the car. But while we're here, let's take a peek under the hood, then we'll take a peek inside. Under the hood, we've got the little V8 still in here. Still pretty much intact under the hood, just like it was when they shut it off. The structure looks straight. The structure looks solid. Doesn't look like this car was ever piled up. We look around the fender wells, we look around the shock towers. Everything on this car structurally looks really solid. Still has the 289 sticker on the air cleaner. And we can even see an AC compressor hanging off the front of this little 289. So this car did have air. I think it was an add-on air unit, but somebody did put air in this car. We'll come around here and take a peek inside of this thing. And inside, pretty much still there, intact. All the dash stuff is there. We see the hang-on air unit under the dash that somebody mounted in this car. Back windows in it. So the back window's inside, so it's obviously not right here, but we can take a peek here. We can see the grill, the front filler panel. This stuff's all piled in the back seat of the car. We can even look down in the hole. We've even got some Futura hubcaps still in there, some original Falcon hubcaps dropped down into the trunk area. One other cool thing about it still has the Futura emblems here on the door panel, or right above the door panel, I guess right below the vent window. A lot of specific Futura and two-door parts that's still left on this car. These little cars are tough to find. Was really excited about getting this one bought, bringing it in and adding it to inventory. So ton of good stuff on it. And I know there's a lot of guys out there that are going to need stuff off of this thing. So as always, appreciate you swinging by and hanging out with me for a few minutes. If you've got questions about this little Falcon or any of the other 1,500 cars and trucks we've got around here, we've got an extensive inventory of old vehicles. And that's primarily what we specialize in, is old stuff. So if you've got questions about anything, give me a call, 620-786-4428. Having that quick conversation about your project, year, make, model, body style, direction you're going with your build. All that stuff is critical for me to know if I may have something here that can help you out. So just give me a shout. Be happy to have a conversation about your project and see what we can get done. As always, thanks for swinging by. If you're on Facebook, please share the video with your friends. Invite them to come over, give the page a like, and hang out with us. If you're on YouTube and you like old cars, you like old trucks, you like memorabilia, be sure to check out my channel. Please subscribe, see what we've got going on. It's all old cars and trucks and memorabilia. That's what we do here because that's what we love and that's what we know. So be sure to check that out. We got a lot of cool videos on a lot of this cool old iron, and we have fun doing it. And I'm glad you stopped by and hung out with us for a few minutes tonight. So thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you soon on the next video.